Hello my YouTube friends, this is Now Mechanic. Just now me and my daughter just worked on a 2005 Town and Country, and we don't know how the quality of the video came out, so until we get home, because we didn't have our camera and I just came out of work. But this is what was going on. The car was just clicking when I first got there. It was going click 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 click. Okay, so I decided to turn my camera on, my phone on, and when I went, it was no click or nothing. So what I did was I checked the multimeter just to see how the battery was, and you notice that the battery was like 8 point something, and the battery is supposed to be, when it's fully charged, 12.6, and also the light was dim. So I didn't get to record all that, but I just wanted to let you know that if you have a car and you gotta click 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 click, check your battery, check the terminals. I cleaned the terminals also a little bit, and I put a new battery. Usually it's not that easy to diagnose. Usually, you know, it's more than a battery. You know, it could be an alternator, the starter. But in this situation, it was very obvious that the battery was low. The battery was like under 8. So I decided to change the battery, and it worked. So thank you for watching. I hope the video came out good. It was dark out there. It was cold out there. I have my daughter with me here, and she's eating McDonald's, and we're about to go home. Thank you. We appreciate you guys and girls. Later. Now Mechanic.
101.
Hello my YouTube friends, this is Now Mechanic. I just came out of work, and they called me that we have a click and no start in this car. As you can see, I'm almost in the middle of a highway, and I just came out of work. I have my daughter with me in the car. No click, no start on this one. This one is a 2005 Town and Country Chrysler. So now we're gonna hear the sound of it. We gotta know our clicks. Ready? Let's see. Hopefully you can hear this. I don't have my camera, so I have my phone. I'm doing this on my phone. See? So dark, but you can't see nothing. All you see is like lights, and you see that the lights are very low. So we had a click and no start before. Now it's just completely dead. But something I found out is usually, if you don't have a multimeter, it's good to have a multimeter with you. Multimeter usually, I have this one right here. I bought this one for Harbor Freight. You see it's dark. I'm sorry it's dark, but hopefully this can help somebody out. Like I said, I just came out of work. I don't have my camera, and I have some of my tools in my car, and I have only one flashlight. So what I'm gonna do is, the first thing we have to check is our battery. So we're gonna check our battery. But let me just connect my multimeter, because I don't have much data on this phone. You know what? Let me just put it here. I'm gonna put it there, and we're gonna set our multimeter on voltage right here, and hopefully I can do everything with one hand. And you will see that this battery, I'm gonna connect this there, and we're gonna connect this one here. And you notice this battery is at, I don't know why it's not staying steady, but you see that it's under 12.6. So automatically I already know what it is. Usually it's not this easy, but me knowing the clicks of the car, and now that the lights are dim and everything, this all it needs is a battery. And you can see it right there. I connected it. I connected the positive and the negative, and you see what it is. You're just flicking back and forth, but it's actually like 8, and it's supposed to be 12.6. So I'm just gonna let the customer know and let her know that I believe it's the battery. It's cold out here. I want to go home and eat, and hopefully the battery will do the work. So I'll be back when we get the battery. Okay, my friends, I'm back. I got the new battery. Say hi, mama.
Hi.
So we're just gonna change the battery quick. What we need is a 10mm wrench, and we're just gonna, loosen them up, take them out. Sorry for all the shaking. Like I said, I don't have my camera with me. This is my phone. Once you loosen them up, usually there's a nut there that holds the battery, and it doesn't have it. So I'm probably gonna have to get her something to hold this battery, but for now, she's trying to get home. So if you have it, it's usually right there. You just take that out, and it's like a little metal piece, and it comes out. So let me take this out. Hopefully, yes, mama. Hopefully y'all can see this. So what you want to do is pull this out. Pull this one out. And pull it up. Huh? You can't take it out, mama. I know you want to help Dada. You know what you can do? Yeah. You can hold the camera right there. Right there towards the battery. Come on. Hold it towards the battery because we don't have much data, mama. Right there. Right there. While Daddy takes this thing out. Hey. No, point to the battery. Point to the battery right here. Are you pointing right here? Mm-hmm. Okay, get closer. Get over here. But you gotta take your finger out. There you go. So now you want to connect this, the negative terminal. Let me get it right quick, mama, if I can show them. Then you want to connect. Here, mama, use the flashlight and point over here. Where? Right there. There? No, over here, mama. Pick it up. There you go. You want to connect the positive. Thank you, my love. You're the best help I ever had in this world. You want to make sure that you screw them back in nice and tight. Like I said, your battery is supposed to be 12.6.
I said I wanted to do that.
Oh, mama, you can't do it right now. Point over here, mama. You gotta point over here for them.
But this is so cool.
Like that, look, like this. Okay, I got it, mama, I got it. Thank you. So you make sure you tie them up really good. Like I said, you're supposed to have one in the bottom, a bolt out there. So let's see. Let's see the car starts now. I think it was like it was about 8. And you can see, we already have light in the car as soon as you open the door. And let's see. Bingo! Car is on. Car is on. That's all it needed was the battery. So you want to always check your battery first before you start changing the starter. Somebody told her it was the starter, and that's what it was. Make sure you have a multimeter. Make sure you have a multimeter and you just check it, and that's about it. It's supposed to be 12.6 and it was about 8. And here we go. 2005 Town and Country, and that's what it was. It was just the battery. Thank you for watching. Later. This is Non Mechanic. Later.